What's happening? Ray Carnes, the co-founder of RT-680 Grills. Today we're going to talk about the awesome RT-680. If you already own one, you already know this. It's the best pellet grill on the market. It's by far and away the most bang for your buck. It is built like a tank. It's built to last a lifetime, and it comes with a 6-year factory warranty. It's the most convenient grill to use. It gives you the most flavor, and it's so easy. You press a button, the computer does the rest. However, if you own one long enough, there's a chance that you can have a malfunction. So today we're going to talk a little bit about troubleshooting. The RT-680 consists of 5 parts. You've got a fan, you've got an RTD, you've got a computer, you've got a hot rod, and you've got an auger motor, okay? Other than that, it's just the heavy gauge stainless steel and steel. So if you ever have a problem, we want to help you figure out what's letting you down so we can have you back up and running in a snap. So let's get started.
Like Ray said, there's only 5 components on the grill, and we're going to show you through a test that'll go through each component individually to help eliminate any issues that we might have. To get into the test mode is actually very simple. You'll hit your very far right button, which will be either your extreme smoke or pellet prime button, and your up arrow at the same time, and you just hold those together, and you'll eventually have some lights dancing around on your display. So the first part of this test takes us through all the light tests and all the button tests. So really a quick way to get through this initial part of it is just hit your power button repeatedly until your display says 5-2. From there, you can hit any other button and it won't let you get past 5-2 unless you hit the right button, because this is a button test. So to get past 5-2, you hit your up arrow. To get past 5-3, you hit your down arrow, and so on across the board. So temp display will say 5-5, and your very far right button, either your extreme smoke or pellet prime, will make it say draft, or an abbreviation for draft. From there, we should hear the blower fan running. Next up is going to be the igniter rod. Everything is going to go quiet. Your igniter rod doesn't make any noise, but you can visibly check it by looking down into your fire pod inside the grill and checking it for heat. Don't touch it. It's very hot. It gets hot very quickly. But after a couple of minutes, it'll actually start to glow red, and you can visibly inspect that it's actually working. Next thing, you hit your power button again. You should hear your auger motor running. This is another time to look down into your fire pot, make sure the pellets are being ushered into the fire pot. That'll help eliminate whether or not there's any blockages in your hopper. If your auger motor is turning, but there's no pellets being brought up, look back in your hopper, make sure there's no blockages down in there. That'll eliminate that problem. And then the next thing we're going to test is the RTD. So we hit the power button one more time. It'll tell you what the ambient temperature is, or pretty close to it. Keep in mind that if your grill's in the sun, or if it's cold, or if you just turned your grill off, there might be some residual heat in this metal that can be thrown off a little bit. But for the most part, it should be extremely close to what it is outside, or inside in this matter. From there on, you just hit your power button repeatedly until it says bye, and it'll go blank. You're out of test mode. Back to you, Ray.
So the RT-680 is designed to give you years and years of enjoyment. I hope this helped in the rare event that you maybe encounter a problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit RT-680grills.com and let your friends know about this awesome grill. Thanks for watching, guys.